It's a new year and I decided to switch some things up with the profit switcher. So late last year, over the past week or so, I've been putting in a lot of work on getting the profit switcher, or really my mining tools app, updated to essentially allow me to do giveaways based off of the dev fee. So what this is going to look like is every month I'm going to give away 10% of each wallet that has a dev fund, and that will go to essentially any miner that is using the profit switcher part of the mining tools, and it'll be completely random. I'll probably do it on a quick live stream, and it'll essentially be each wallet or each coin that was mined that month, and you do have to opt in. I don't want to force tracking of anybody's addresses or anything. So I've built an opt-in process. And what that looks like is if you hop on over to your instance of the mining tools, this can be a local instance, it can be single user, multi-user, or you can be using the hosted version at retromike.net, it doesn't really matter. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to core configuration, you're going to scroll down, and you're now going to see this option that says opt in to the dev fee giveaways. You need to check that and save. When you do this, anytime the dev fee runs, it's going to report your current HiveOS wallet address and the coin in HiveOS. That's all that it's reporting. It's essentially sending that to my centralized server for tracking purposes, and that is going to basically allow me to build a unique list of wallet addresses per coin, and then at the end of the month, or the first of the following month, we will essentially randomize a list per coin of addresses, and we'll pick somebody, and they will get 10% of the dev fee that hit the wallet. So if there were, let's just take an example, let's say the dev fee had 1,000 flux for whatever reason that month, one lucky person would be getting 100 flux the first and the following month. And it's essentially every coin that is configured for the dev fee, and so that's going to be pretty much every proof of work coin that is mineable at this point, both GPU, CPU, actually also FPGA, and also ASICs that are in Hive. There is a small caveat to this, that platforms that require a login or don't use a mining address, or ones that are kind of auto profit switching, so things like Mining Dutch, Zergpool, NiceHash, Pro Hashing will be excluded from the giveaway. It has to be a true wallet address that is mapped to the coin that you're mining, and it needs to be a wallet in HiveOS. So if I jump over to, let me jump over to my farm, and if I pull up, let me just pull up this one as an example. So if we take a look, this one I'm actually mining Varus and Vert on Zergpool, but if you see here, my wallet address is actually a BNB address, and so this isn't eligible for the payout, right? This, if you do this, this will essentially be thrown out as part of the dev addresses. The wallet configured has to match the coin that you're mining. So if I hop on over to this server, take this as an example. Now on this one, I'm mining to Zerg Varus, but I'm also have a configured Flux coin. So with this one, I have a true Flux address. I'm mining Flux to fluxpools.net. In this case, the Varus side won't count because it's going to Zergpool, but the Flux side will. And so if we pull up this flight sheet, you're going to see it actually has a wallet configured. You have to have the wallet configured here. If you hop on over and you plug the wallet in here, whatever you put in here won't be reported. It's the wallet record that is tied to the miner. So keep that in mind. If there's a scenario where you're kind of overriding the wallet address, then the miner config, that will essentially be ignored and it won't be eligible for the dev fee giveaway. The other part to this is you have to be on version, if you're running this locally, you have to be on version 2.7.1 or higher for this to work. Any other version, you won't see the opt-in checkbox, and obviously you won't be able to opt in. If at any point you want to opt out, you can just come in, uncheck the box, hit save. Will no longer be tracking your wallet addresses or the coins that you're mining. And that's pretty much it. I've set up all brand new wallets for the dev fee. So they're all essentially blank wallets. I have them running on a VM. And so all the dev fees will go there. The end of the month, the very last day, midnight UTC, I will basically take a snapshot. We'll figure out how many coins hit the wallet within that month. And 10% of each coin from that month will be sent to one lucky person. And all you have to do is use the profit switching capability. The auto exchanging does not incur any type of dev fee, and so it's not eligible. And the gold shell ASICs currently are not part of it either, just because with ASICs it gets a lot more complicated. A lot of them, a lot of the pools are login, like F2 pool, via BTC, Litecoin pool. Like, they're really not using wallet addresses, and so I just kind of exclude those for now. So primarily it's going to be HiveOS rigs only, and all you need to do is just check that box and just continue to use the profit switcher as you're doing today. You don't need to make any other changes other than ticking that box, and it will essentially continue to run the dev fee as it has been doing, reporting your wallet address, and then we'll run a live stream. We'll pick those random people, and during that live stream I will actually send the coins out live. Since I'm managing everything, it makes it easy, and you'll be, if you want to confirm the coins live on the stream, you can. And so the first stream where we'll be doing a true giveaway will probably be the first week in February. Actually, it will probably be, I will try to do it early in February. I do have a work trip that I have to head out of town for the first week of February. So either I'll do it the first week, or it might be into the second week later when I return. We'll get that figured out. It'll be posted up in my Discord. And if you have any questions, anything there, feel free to hop in the Discord. There's a link in the description below. And that's pretty much it for this video.